Hey guys, we're here at the lab developing a new product actually. So this is kind of the final prototype. A couple small changes you may notice on the production model, but we thought about what is the most ubiquitous item across every tailgate party, campsites all around the world, events, the meeting down the street, whatever. It's the folding table, the cheap folding table. You get these anywhere. Walmart, Costco, Amazon. Chances are you have one. They fold down kind of nice. They kind of get compact, but they're still kind of a big chunky thing that is awkward to transport. You're gonna throw it in the bed, under stuff, on top of stuff, in the back of the SUV, up, down. You could do it, but it's kind of a pain. So we thought maybe making a mount for it would be cool. So we went through a couple revisions of how really to make it easy and fast and kind of adaptable. It may be a Lifetime, it may be a Costco, it may be a whatever Walmart brand. You maybe bought a table from Temu, shame on you. But a lot of them are a little bit different in size, and depending on the foldability, a little bit different here. So this bracket can accommodate pretty much all of them. It technically could accommodate 8-foot folding, but most trucks aren't gonna have the width for it. So probably best in the 4 to 6 foot folding table range. So these will come right up here. Again, this bracket is adjustable for depth that the table goes, as well as thickness of the table. So once you have that dialed in, the operation is super simple. These nice little spring-loaded retaining pins. One on each side, and then the table slides right out. Good to go. Putting it away is pretty much just as easy. Line it up. And then it'll slide right back in there, and the pins hold it really securely. This ain't gonna go anywhere. It doesn't really rattle around, maybe some mechanisms inside of the table, but pretty secure fit. It's the bracket, it's really, we designed it around our bed racks. It's somewhat universal. If you have spans or extrusions or bars that are, the bracket is about 36, 37 inches deep. If you have two crossbars that are that close together, you'll be good to go. And that's about the sizing that'll accommodate all of the tables. So we kind of wanted to make it as easy to assemble, as easy to install, but still adaptable for the different sizes. So that's what you got here. I think that's about it. It's available right now on our site. If you're watching this video right away, we're launching it kind of at an introductory, cheaper price, and then the price will go up at some point in the near future. So if you're watching it and you know you want it, probably get it now before the price goes up. Sweet. I don't know what we're gonna call it yet. It's probably in the title of the video. But I think we're going with Cheapie Folding Table Carrier. So the CFTC. Cool.